over there used to be straight up just a forest. And look at it now. Insane. That's the car with the little light at the top. I can't. Oh, wait. I can't on this road, though. So you want to shoot green flames with your car with your turbo. Okay, so here's the thing. Pay attention because things might get a little complicated. So I didn't fully air out. I'm changing things up. I didn't air out. Let me know if you like this like Stancy boy, static life boy look. Look at this. Just look, this look tiny. Can you imagine my bag fails, my fingers in here? Y'all really gonna do me like that? You guys, I don't know why I just touched it. I'm pretty sure you've seen all around the internet people shooting green flames. And you may be wondering, how do you do it? This is how. Here we go. Bam. So this car has about 600 wheel horsepower. Didn't realize how rare this was until I went to a Cars and Coffee and everybody was like, wait, what? So that was pretty cool. And I was trying to explain it to them. It was pretty cool. There's really, I would say, 3 steps. Step 1 sounds a little crazy, but you're gonna have to put the best oil in the game, Pennzoil, fully synthetic, platinum. I know it's pretty crazy. So you're gonna have to actually put oil in your gas tank, but keep watching, okay? Keep watching. This is where it gets weird. You have to eat a banana next up. Just keep watching until you do it yourself. Just eat a banana. So let's say you pretty much finish your banana. Next up, all you have to do is leave a like on this video and comment down below how you just fell for that so hard. Come on, dog. You really gotta put oil in your gas tank? Come on. You let me down, Jimmy. Now I'm really gonna show you guys how to shoot green flames. It's real, but this is how you do it. Actually, let's get the hype going. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes. If we get this video to 1,000 likes, I will give Mama Z a ride in the Z. And that's gonna be probably the greatest video I post this whole year. The truth is inside this little box right here. It's really simple. It's called Dragon's Breath. If you guys want to buy this, I'm gonna leave it in a link in the description. You basically open it up and it comes with toothpaste. Funny, it's Dragon's Breath and it's toothpaste. Kind of funny. And the little tool to apply it. And where are you gonna apply this toothpaste, you mask? Right in your exhaust tip. And we're gonna do it right now, actually. Now, if you're wondering, no, this does not harm your car. It's just toothpaste in your exhaust. And I guess it creates a reaction with the heat and it comes out green. Oh, no, it's coming out of the side. Oh my gosh, you saw my face in my mouth. All right, let's go shoot green flames. It's about to get dark. There's like perfect timing. Let's get it. I put gas and I completely forgot to film it. So just act like we're putting gas now. All right, so I posted on Instagram. Anybody that's near me, if they have any car that shoots loud flames or big flames, to DM me. And here we got the first guy. We got Kenny came up in this 350Z. Do you want to tell us what you've done to the Z so far?
Fully built motor, 4 bolt-ons, pushing 360 to the wheel.
Oh, nice.
And that's about it.
Yeah, 2006, right?
Yeah.
Is that the rev up or?
Rev up.
Yeah. Which the exhaust is hot, so I'll do it, don't worry. I'm gonna have to put that in the hot exhaust, so that's totally fine. The way you can't see it on camera, but if you get up close, the Poland, look at this. There's literally grass growing on the car, like what? Have you used this yet or no? No. No? You've seen it on Instagram, I bet, right? Yeah. One thing, this packaging is just tearing up everywhere. Like. Pace is applied. We're gonna go to a top secret area in Mexico and shoot massive flames. All right, you can follow me. Cool. bro. Dude, that shit came out green. All the powder is just gone. Dude, how's your diffuser not melted?
I don't know, honestly. I literally don't know.
Oh my god, that's crazy. Does the product work? 100%. But when you shoot as many flames as he does, the powder, it's like a paste that turns into powder. It kind of just melts away or just leaves. So we would have to apply more if you want to shoot more flames. More green flames, that is. What's like your full exhaust setup?
D1 test pipes, ISR white pipe, stock headers, and a Z1 single exit.
More people just showed up. See, you have the G and you have the 370 or vice versa, correct? Yeah. Have you guys ever met up at 9 p.m. to put some powder on your exhaust to shoot green flames or not?
I mean,
no. All right, let's see who can shoot the biggest green flame at this point.
Okay, I'm Richie. I have ISR long tube headers, a Z1 wide pipe.
Nice.
And then from that, just tow my cat back.
Oh, what year is this Nismo?
2015.
2015?
Admin 3-inch intakes. I got a Z1.
Nice. Catch cans, nice.
Oil cooler.
Dope, like it. You're good. You're winning so far. Yo, that was nice. I loved your flames, but I think this one's ahead right now. Dude, that was crazy, bro.
2003 G35 coupe.
And your name is?
Ty.
Ty?
Yes, sir. You got intake, a little catch can, and then just tow my exhaust.
Hey, DE versus VHR.
Yeah.
Let's see.
She's not knocking. Let's go.
If you're a diesel owner and you're watching this video, we apologize. This guy's static. I ripped my bumpers off with bags. Dude, has your bumper ever fallen off or no?
Yeah.
I was scared for you right there. That's exactly where I messed up mine.
Yeah, no,
just right there. So sad. I actually edit his photos. He just doesn't tell me.
See you later, Chooch.
Peace out, brother. Follow him and his epic pictures. Alright, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, liking, supporting me in general. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Peace! Oof. Yeah, my camera's about to drop.